Hey guys, so today I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to paint with watercolor. I have drawn a sketch of a girl with wavy hair. I have outlined my sketch with a fine liner. So I'm gonna paint it now. So firstly I'm applying a base layer of clear water. You have to do it because I'm using firstly the wet on wet technique. So first I'm wetting the paper and then applying a diluted base color on the skin, where the skin is just on the in my drawing is just on the face and neck. So I'm firstly applying the skin color on the face and neck, and then I'm adding the second coat, darken the color to show the actual value of the color. And then you have to dry this drawing, and then we will use the dry on wet technique, in which we will first dry the paper and then we will use wet color so as to bring out some shadows. So firstly I'm coloring up the right side of the face, which is little off the camera. So I'm using the same color to add some more shadows, a little dark color of the same color, and then I'm adding some jaw lines, some shadows, etc. And then I'm adding cheeks. Well, there are cheeks. I'm adding some blush to the cheeks using some pink. Well, it is a really light colored pink. So I have just diluted it a lot, and then you can use it on your cheeks, on the cheeks, so as to make it pinkish. Well, the pink is looking a lot faded. The color is a lot faded, so you have to add more and more shadows, more and more colors to bring out the realistic feature of this drawing, or the thing you want with this drawing. And then I'm now adding more and more blush so as to make it more cutesy. And then I'm adding it on the cheeks, I'm adding it on the nose, and then after that you can add some more shadows and stuff so as to make it realistic. You have to now color, after drying up the paper, you have to now color the eyes, eyebrows and lips. So I have colored the eyes, eyebrows and lips, and I have added lashes too now, and I have highlighted with white paint. The eyes, I have added some highlights to the lips and the eyes. Now it's time to color the hair. I'm thinking to add black color to the hair. So firstly I'm starting off with a very light grayish tone. So I'm firstly adding some shadows to the hair. As it is a wavy hair, it is really hard to color wavy hair, as there are many shadows, many highlights in it. And then I'm adding color to the back side of the hair. So I've completed the left part of the hair, which is in front of the camera, and you have to create the back side of the hair a little dark. So I'm coloring it like this. First I'm taking a small section of the hair and adding some shadows, and I'm then highlighting some areas so as to create a wavy look to her hair. And then I have created a top portion, I don't know what you call it as. Then yeah, I'm coloring it at the last. I'm making it light so as to make it pop out. I'm not be showing you the tutorial of how to draw the dress. So if you want a brief description on how to draw the dress, I will give you. Or and if you like this video, if you like this tutorial, please subscribe and like my video. So now I'll be coloring the fur, which is on her jacket. It is a snowy, windy night. Well, I don't know if it's night or day, but I'm just coloring it. So it is a snowy. So it is a snowy day, and then she is wearing a jacket full of fur. I'm just adding shadows and making it. And I'm trying to make it look like fur. Now, if you like this tutorial, please thumbs up and share this video.